Assalamu alaikum guys, sorry, just woke up about half an hour ago, so I look super tired. Arrived 7:30 last night, got to Makkah 10:30. Honestly, I was so dehydrated, I was so tired, and it's 10:30 in the morning now. I've got enough energy to go do Umrah, so I'm going to do Umrah now. والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم. Hey guys, that's the King Fahd gate, so you come in here and I would say find a small spot when you see the Kaaba for the first time. Look at the Kaaba and make dua as much as you can and just be one-to-one with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now you make the intention for your tawaf. So the tawaf starts from, as you can see there's a green light somewhere there. There's a green light there and it's the black corner. So we start the tawaf from there and we end it from there. So I'm not going to record all my tawaf, I'm just going to record this to show you guys. This is what tawaf looks like. It's 10:30 in the morning, 11:45. It's not that busy. Alhamdulillah, all praise to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for inviting me again. And I pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala invites the people who are watching this video. Ameen. So this is the Yemeni corner. So the Prophet ﷺ touched that, but it's really busy, so you can't really touch it. So once you finish the tawaf, that is the Maqam Ibrahim, golden cage there, and you read two nafil behind it. As you can see, there's no space here. A lot of people praying over there. We've got that section there, and that's where you travel down to do sa'i. So Safa Marwa is the next step for Umrah. Bismillah. Alhamdulillah, they've got fans that spray out water, as you can see, inshallah, for the Hajjis, for the pilgrims. Alhamdulillah. Right guys, so just completed my sa'i and prayed Zohar as well. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it, Ameen. So tawaf was done in good time. We did about 10:30, 11 o'clock, so it wasn't that busy. And then sa'i took longer, it was busy. And alhamdulillah, since I've started walking every single day for the last 2 months, honestly, Umrah wasn't as tiring as it was last year. So one tip would be for you guys to make sure that you walk every single day when you're coming, before coming, but just get into the habit of getting physically moving every single day. It's only going to benefit you when you're here. The last thing to do is my halak. As you can see, I've got no hair, but I always joke about this in my Umrah videos, that I wish I had a full set of hairs. The only reason being is, so when I come to Umrah, I can get it all shaved off every single time. Sacrifice for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So if you guys have got hair and like big set of hair, sacrifice it for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And He will give you a lot better, inshallah. But yeah, just grew it from the sides to the back. So we're going to get that chopped off, and that will be me out of the state of Ihram, and that will be my Umrah complete. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned that whoever does Umrah in Ramadan gets the reward of Hajj with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So that is a motivation for you guys to do Umrah whilst in Ramadan. And all my videos and everything is just so you guys can come and make Umrah in Ramadan. Just come Umrah. Even if it's not in Ramadan, come anytime. But I would say once in your lifetime, come for Umrah in Ramadan. It's amazing. So this brother approached me for halak. Bhai, kitne ka halak hai? 10 riyal. 10 riyals, like I said, so it's about £2.50. So he's going to take me. I'll take you guys with me and show you guys. So I think these guys are possibly on commission, but alhamdulillah though, can't knock the hustle. As you can see, and the clock tower. Shukriya bhai. So this is the blaze that they use, brand new. So you don't need to worry, guys. Right guys, so alhamdulillah, that's my Umrah complete. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it. Ameen. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give me the reward of doing Hajj with the beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.